So test number 2, I 3D printed something in PETG, so PEG, whatever it is, plastic instead of PLA. It seems alright, it's not really strapped in yet. I don't think I really want to go faster than that. That looks quite fast to me. I reckon that's got some force. If that jumps off, yeah, I might have to think about that, because if that jams up and comes off and suddenly snaps, I'm not really sure what to do with that. Maybe a far distance test, maybe stand away and do it from a distance outside to kind of anything. So it's running off a 48 volt battery, 13S, 2000 watt motor, but obviously I reckon the motor can take more. I wonder if you put your foot there a little bit. No, that's got to wear my foot out. Yeah, that's on speed 1. God knows what speed 3 is like. I know it's pretty good. No, I'm not doing it. Right, I'm going to reprint a more solid one and try and stop the chain from slacking, I think, with hitting the side of the car.